cutter and chips cutter and salad cutter. You make the all vegetable, cut the slice very beautiful, look like this. Chop the finger chips and vegetable salad, fruit salad, onion, cabbage, and make the beautiful design look like this. Net chips. How to use? This is a only plain blade. This is zigzag blade. Cut the potato is plain, is very easy, very simple. Look like this. Cut the plain. Same blade to cut the onion. This is hand protector. No cut your finger, no cut your hand. Plain cutting. Same blade if you need a cabbage. Cut the cabbage long for salad, for burger. This is zigzag blade. First straight, back and move. Right and left. Direction change to potato. You make a net. Very easy, very simple. Same blade. Cut the cabbage. Small. Onion. Small. Very easy, very simple. Carrot. Right and left. You make a net design. Very easy and very simple. And this hand protector. Small piece you catch the hand protector. No cut your finger. No cut your hand. Very easy, very simple. And this one, finger chips. First peel the potato, top of the cover, 2 hand 1 time press. You make a beautiful finger chips. If you need a salad, all vegetable, fix in middle and top of the cover, 2 hand 1 time press. You make a beautiful salad. Carrot, tomato, cut the 2 slice. Top of the cover, 2 hand 1 time press. Everything in middle and press. Look, onion, same like this. Cut the 2 slice. Everything in middle. Top of the cover, 2 hand 1 time press. Okay. If you this is make a beautiful salad, fruit salad, Russian salad. Look like this. And this one, chopper. Cut the all vegetable. Look like this. Onion, ginger, garlic, chili, and pressing and moving. Look, first time you cut 5 pieces and cut again. Pressing and moving. Pressing and moving. You make a chop. Very easy, very simple. Ginger, garlic, chili, green chili, red chili. Crush the vegetable. Look like this. Beautiful. And other ginger, garlic, chili, green chili, red chili, pressing and moving. Look like this. Crush the all vegetable. It's very easy, very simple. Same like this. And this one, peeler. You make the vegetable long pieces. Very easy, very simple. And this one, carrot, cabbage, ginger, garlic. This one for salad. Cut the slice. Make a beautiful salad in home. This. And if you need a peel, same blade, no change. Peel the vegetable. If you need a ginger, garlic, chili, peel the vegetable. Very easy, very simple. And this small blade you use in home, ginger, garlic, chili, and make a chips beautiful. This all product made in Pakistan, Walco company.